Customer was complaining of a scraping noise. Never seen one pile up like that before. If you got a noise in your vehicle, get it checked out. Because like that is pretty broken.